Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial we are going to start a new discussion on HTML links. So quickly let's get started. The HTML links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from page to page. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over the link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. A link does not have to be text. A link can be an image or any HTML document or any other HTML document. For instance, this is the syntax for HTML link. You have the HTML anchor tag defines the hyperlink. It has the following syntax. This is it. When you have your opening and closing a tag along with the href attribute along with the URL that you want to link to. And note one thing here. An unvisited link is underlined with blue color. A visited link is underlined with purple color. An active link is underlined with red color. Let me show you something again. The most important attribute of the anchor tag, which is a element, is the href attribute, which indicates the link destination. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. Clicking on the text will send the reader to the specified URL address. For example, this example shows how to create a link to toptenstrength.com. Now let me show you something. When you have your opening and closing tag, a tag, inside the opening tag you have your href attribute along with the website address or image address or any address that you want to link to, like this. I will show you how it goes quickly. Don't forget this. The unvisited link we have underline and blue. The visited one we have underline and purple. The active one we have underline and red. Quickly, let me show you something. Just because I want you to understand it quickly, let me show you. Let's have http toptenstrength.com. So let's reload our document. Save it and reload our document. You will see it not display. It doesn't display yet, but let's do something again. Let's quickly put something here. Click me. Let's see how it shows here. Reload your document. When we reload, you see what we see here. So we have seen this. So because we have already clicked something like this on this page, that's why it shows this. So now let me click it. Let me hold on it like this. Before I remove my mouse, you can see it display red. When I remove my mouse, it takes me to the website. When I come back, you see the link looks like this. So let me show you another thing. Let's say we want to link to another website, and google.com. I want you to notice this. Google. This is the Google link. So now let's go back to our document quickly. Can you see this is Google link? Now you know what we are going to do is that we are going to try to click on the Google link. Maybe it will display. The Google link will display something like this. Something happened here. You see. Let me go back to the document. I think the system hang. Maybe the system hang. Let me create Google. Sorry. Let me create HTTP. So now let's go back to our document. Reload it. Now we are seeing Google. So you can see when I hover on it, you can see my finger on it. But this one, when we firstly load the website, you can see that the color is different. This one is having purple, this one is having blue. Because we have already clicked this one before, that's why we are seeing the purple here. But because we haven't clicked this Google link at all, that's why we are seeing blue here. Let me break it so you can see how the both looks. We have discussed about this break element also, BR element also. So if you haven't watched the tutorial on how we discuss it, you can go to our former tutorial on it so you can see how it goes. This is it. So now let me click it. You will see what will happen here. Notice this one is because it has already been clicked, that's why it shows purple. But this one we haven't clicked it at all, that's why it shows Google. Let's see something. When we click it, you see it took us to Google, but something happens. Go back. When you go back here, can you see something here? You see that when I reload this, it doesn't change to purple. The reason why is because this one is working like it let us know that we are unable to reach the website. That's why it doesn't show purple. If to say we are able to reach the website, like this one now, we are able to reach the hello.com. You can see the website here, but this one we are unable to reach it because no network. So now that's why it doesn't show purple until we are able to enter the website. That's when this thing can show purple. Now that's why I put it like this. Make sure that one is having network, one is not using network. So that's why I did it like that, so you can be able to understand. And one thing I want you to note again is that when you hold on it and remove it, that's when this thing turns red. When you click on it like this, you know that I've not removed my hand on it, but when I remove my hand, you see it go. So when you click on it like this, you show red. You can manipulate yours also, like with CSS you can manipulate it. So I will show you how you can do that in later video, in later future, when we are discussing about CSS in general. I will discuss how we can manipulate these three things, how it's very useful. It's very advanced than what you can expect. So this is because we have already clicked it and we are able to reach the website, and this one is because we are not able to reach the website when we click it. Can you see? So I want you to note that. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I wish to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.